Hi guys, and welcome back to RedStone Productions. Today we are reviewing a new piece of gear from Stam Audio. We actually look into the Stam Audio 4000, a recreation of the SSL bus compressor. Normally found in the center section of SSL G and E series large format consoles, this type of VCA compressor is widely used on mix bus and drum bus duties. Strap it on your mix bus and you get instant glue. Strap it on your drum bus and you get that fast punch that only VCA can deliver. Stam Audio has created a faithful recreation of the SSL bus compressor, having 3 different ratio settings, 2:1, 4:1 and 10:1, just like the original, the usually variable threshold and makeup gain controls. On top of that, you also have a sidechain input that could actually allow you to trigger whatever program you're compressing by using another signal as a detector input. The unit ships by default with electronically balanced outputs, but on request you can actually have a mod, which is based on the Carnell transformer, to give you extra color on the output side of things. These units are hand-built in Chile in small batches, so sometimes the waiting can be a little bit frustrating. But the good side of it is that you can pre-order the units when they're not in stock and get an additional discount. The stock price of the units is $599 US with a 1-year warranty. Alright, enough talking, let's have a listen to the unit and run some program material through it.
Sometimes you feel like a motherless child. You're kind of sad and blue.
In order to give you some perspective on the unit, we actually gonna A/B it with the original that you find in the center section of the SSL large format consoles. We have one in Studio 2 at SA Amsterdam.
Sometimes you like a motherless child. You're kind of sad and blue.
We had a good listen at the unit, and honestly, at this price point, it's a no-brainer. It looks and sounds pretty much like the original. This is a pretty straightforward clone to make that you can find on the market even as a do-it-yourself kit. It features 4 TAT2181s VCAs, premium siphon knobs, and premium VU meters. Solid-state Logic has 3 stereo bus compressor units on the market. They are based on the original bus compressor you would find in the center section of G and E series consoles. The first one is the 19 inches rack version, called SSL X Logic Stereo Compressor and selling for $3,500 US. The second one is the X-Rack version, called SSL X-Rack Stereo Bus Compressor and selling for $2,000 US. The third one is the 500 series version, called SSL 500 series Bus Compressor MK2, also selling for $2,000 US. Very interesting alternatives from other manufacturers are: former SSL designer All Smart has also created his own versions in the form of the Smart C1 and C2, the latter tweaked in the direction of a more attitude, and they sell for $2,800 US, including some extra features not available on the original one, like a switchable high-pass filter on the detector circuit. The TK Audio BC1 MK2 is selling for $1,300 US and includes a switchable high-pass filter and a mix knob for parallel processing. The Serpent Audio SB4001, available for the 500 series, is selling for $999 US. They are made in Philadelphia, USA, and they feature the classic compression style obtained from full VCAs, plus the extra mix knob, the high-pass filter switch, and a special grind mode for extra color and an additional key input on the front.